Hello, welcome to my channel, and to my subscribers, welcome back. Let's tap in with Spirit and see what Spirit has to say today. We invite you to be in peace. Peace is a place where you are in spite of your circumstances. It is a state of mind. It is not determined by outward circumstances, but how you interpret those circumstances in your mind. The mind is indeed the builder. So as a man thinketh, so is he. We invite you to learn to go to a place of peace when you are able to be quiet and still and connect with the spiritual realm. Whenever you are connected with our realm, we are able to give you information that is needed to help you to get through the challenges that life will bring in your direction. And so today, know that although there is war in the land, there is the opportunity for peace in the midst of what you are going through. We know that these are challenging times, but know that all you have to do is call on us, and we shall be available to help you through your challenges. No man is an island. What one does affects all. And so know that, yes, you can come together as one to pray for better circumstances in the land. We are indeed on the scene in many places and helping to dispel some of the things that have been sent out by those forces that are not of a good nature, according to what you call good. But know that we are available and we are on the scene. Many of you are joining together in prayer, in silent vigils, and that is good, because what that does is help a lot of people to get on one accord. And when you come together on one accord, then it is a stronger vibration that is available to help with all the circumstances that are happening in your world. We desire for you to show more love in the world, because love is of a higher vibration. And when the collective comes together to pray, the vibration of the planet is raised, and therefore more good can come out of a situation. So be not dismayed and trust that we are helping, but the more of you that can get together collectively, the more we can help, and the more it will be a better outcome for all involved in the situation at hand. And know that we cannot interfere with the path of the planet unless we are asked. And so know that there is some energy that is not good, but the good energy is being manifested in many ways. And so continue on the path of prayer, knowing that prayer creates a certain energetic reaction where we can spring into action and help your world. We desire for world peace. And so the world must learn to make better choices, because the result of the choices that you make will reverberate outward and come back to you. So you as one person can do a lot. You collectively can do more. And so we say to you, be at peace as much as possible in your world. Peace be unto you, goodwill towards mankind.